Welcome, in front of me is REALME P3 Lite, and in this video I will show you what to do if fast charging isn't working on your phone. Begin by checking your charging cable and the charger itself for any visible damages, and first of all compatibility. I recommend using original chargers and cables from REALME, as they will ensure the best charging quality for your device. The next thing that you can do is check the charging port of your REALME, which is located right here at the bottom edge of your device. Use a soft non-metallic brush to clean it if you find any debris or dirt in here. Surely do not use any metallic tools to do that. The next thing that you can do is test your cable and charger with another phone to see if it works with another phone, and also check the other fast charging cable with your device and see if it is the problem of your smartphone or your charging cable or maybe your charger. And I hope that this video helps you solve your issue, and if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.